Hello Tesla guys, this is Julia from Tesery. Today I'd like to talk to you about the mud flaps from Tesery. For Tesla Model 3 and the Model Y owners, there have two optional choices according to your car model. As we all know, when driving on a muddy road in rainy days, it is usually avoidable that the mud and the muddy water will stick to the car tires or splash on the car body. In addition, if you often drive on rough country roads, the gravel on the road will fly out due to the running of the wheels and cause damage to your car body. So many Tesla owners have to cost an expensive repair fee. But now install the Tesery mud flaps and you can easily solve the problems. So what exactly do mud flaps do? Find out. First, the mud flaps is custom modded original car. The sides provide maximum protection for your Tesla car. As you can see, there have 4 pieces mud flaps on the one package. There has a sleek profile and a factory look. That's very classic and stylish. The mud flaps are perfectly matching your Tesla original car, and the overall appearance is more beautiful. Next, let's look at the material of the Tesla mud flaps. They are made of ABS material, which is stretchable and durable. They have function of safety and reliability in a variety of harsh environments. On the one hand, the Tesery mud flaps can effectively prevent water droplets and mud from splashing to the tire rod or bore head. On the other hand, it can also effectively prevent the gravel flying out of the tire and hitting the car body. It also can avoid paint damage. In addition, the mud flaps also block mud and rain. When you are driving, the mud flaps will block most of the sediment and muddy water, which will keep our body clean and beautiful and reduce car washes. In addition, passengers will not get dirty when getting on and off. Finally, the installation process of the mud flaps does not require drilling. The packaging inside is also coming with the installation accessories. Users can directly install them in the original hole on the car. After installation, there are no gaps and no damages to the original car. If you like the short video, you can follow us or leave your comment. I will introduce more practical accessories in the future. If you want to buy Tesla accessories, just come to Tesery. Okay, bye!